In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play unrated games on chess.com. If you want to practice new openings, test ideas, or just play without stressing about your rating, unrated games are perfect. They look and feel exactly like regular games, but the result won't change your rating no matter what happens. Here's how to set them up in a clear, reliable way. Start by heading to the Play section on chess.com. This is the main place where games are created, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Once you're there, you'll see options to set up a game. Choose either Custom or New Game. Custom is great if you want full control, like picking your time control, whether you play white or black, and other preferences. New Game is faster and gets you onto the board quickly, but you'll still be able to adjust the key setting we need. Before you start the game, find the rated setting. It's usually near the time control or the game options panel. Toggle the rated switch to off. When this is off, your game will be created as unrated. That one step is the whole difference. Make sure you flip this before you hit play or send a challenge. If you forget and start a rated game by accident, your result will affect your rating. With rated turned off, you can either challenge someone directly or let chess.com find a random opponent for you. Both work the same way. As long as your challenge is set to unrated, the game won't impact ratings for either side. You can still pick your favorite time control: bullet, blitz, rapid, or even longer games. The only change is that your rating stays untouched. A quick tip for peace of mind: when the board loads, look for an unrated label near the top of the game window. If you see rated instead, back out before making a move and toggle the setting to off, then start again. This simple check prevents surprises. Unrated games are ideal for experimenting with new openings, trying out gambits, or practicing specific plans without worrying about points. You can focus on learning, time management, or endgame practice, and then review the game afterward with a clear head. Some players also like to track their ideas in a notebook or study tool right after the game while everything's fresh. After you finish, chess.com may remember your last setting, but it's still a good habit to glance at the rated toggle next time you play. That way, every session starts exactly how you want it. That's all you need. Go to play, choose custom or new game, toggle rated to off, and start your unrated match. Enjoy your practice and have fun improving your chess.